Good evening guys. Malamig na yung panahon. Sa mga buwan wala mag-apply isang security guard, dapat alamin nyo muna ang 11 general orders para sa puso yung trabaho nyo, para hindi kayo patanga-tanga pag nagbisita yung sosya sa company nyo. So guys, may alam naman ako sa 11 general orders at saka memorize ko yun bago ako nag-apply ng isang security guard. Bigyan ko kayo ng example guys. Geo number 1 guys, to take charge of my post in all company properties and view and protect receive the same with utmost diligence. Yung number 1 guys. Yung number 2 guys, Geo number 2, to walk in an alert manner during my tour of duty and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. Yung number 2 guys. Yung number 3, to report all violation of regulation and orders I am instructed to enforce. Yung number 3 guys. Yung number 4 naman guys, to relay all calls from posts more distance from the security post where I am stationed. And number Geo number 4 guys. Yung Geo number 5 guys, alam to lahat ng mga ka-59 to quit my post on name when properly relayed. Kaya huwag nyo iwanan yung gusto nyo hanggat wala kayong kapalitan, dahil sa manong gusto nyo sa kampungan kayo pulutin. Yan ang pinagbabawal na technique. Yan lang muna guys, hanggang 5 lang. Magro-robing na ako, alas 12 na, gising na yung magnanakaw.